So let's go against Shallow Blue once again, trying to go for this kind of line. Well, the bishop is protecting the pawn. I guess I go with knight c3, although I'm not that sure. I mean, I can also go knight d2, and after b5, a4. I guess I'm gonna go with knight d2. I wanna get the pawn back as soon as possible. He gives me the pawn that way. Expect him striking with c5. Sorry for my okay, e4, just gaining the center, threatening d5. So he has to do something with the bishop. Or with the knight for that matter, like knight a5. But I'd probably still go d5. No, he goes back. Right, so now bishop e7, no, bishop d3, rather. e5 is probably not possible. He can go e6 and develop the bishop. Could probably go bishop back, knight f1, bishop e2, and knight g3. That's probably the best course of action. So my position has to be much better here. I'm not worried about anything here. Right, so I guess h4 might be a move there. If castles, I go e5. So I guess h4. I guess he can't castle because of e5. Knight d5 and bishop takes h7. Right, bishop h7. The Greek gives sacrifice. It's probably kind of working here. Knight takes, he can probably not take it. And if king g6, I go knight g3. I'm not sure what he's doing. Right, that's it. Yeah, it was kind of a fine game here, but I just completely dismantled Shallow Blue there. with straightforward Greek gift sacrifice, but I gave him a very bad opening anyway. Yeah. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao.